Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about how to get all your bills paid by getting your first 10 SMMA clients, okay? This is serious, ladies and gentlemen. Too many people are struggling, okay, to get ahead in life, okay? I've been there. I know you're probably there. And you're watching this video like, Maurice, I got bills up to you know what. And I like this SMMA game. I hate my job. I got more month at the end of the money. Can you help me out? Today's your lucky day. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm going to show you guys essentially what you need to do, okay, to get rid of bills. And the first thing you got to do, ladies and gentlemen, is you got to focus on the solution and not the problem. A lot of you guys are too consumed with bills instead of being consumed with what activities, okay? Write that down. What activities do I need to be doing daily to eliminate debt and bills and all the stress and anxieties that you're going through today, okay? Because let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, SMMA is a simple business, okay? I went from loading the truck at a warehouse to pulling in $100,000 a year literally in 1 year, okay? Probably less than 8 months as I think back, because I was hustling, okay? I know what it feels like to have bills and not have money, and to, have your lights clicked off and all that type of stuff, okay? To go into the gas station and pay with change and things of that nature. I know the struggle, okay? But there is a solution, okay? And it's called SMMA, okay? And if you guys, okay, will sacrifice, 60 to 90 days, you can kiss your bills goodbye, okay? Now, the beautiful thing about this, I know a lot of you guys are like, Maurice, what do you mean, okay? Let's think about this, okay? And the reason why I like SMMA is because of the learning curve, all right? You guys can literally grab your smartphone, get the script, click the link in the description and grab the ICP course. Don't make excuses, because excuses don't pay the bills, all right? Taking action, being aggressive, being a risk taker, that's how you eliminate the bills, okay? But let's just think about this for a minute, all right? Where can you go, okay, and help 10 people, all right? Let me say that again. You help 10 business owners, okay? Set up. This is what we do, guys. We set up Facebook and Google ads, YouTube ads, or what have you for small businesses. We can even do it for large corporations or what have you, okay? We can do it for dentists, restaurants, plumbers, painters, roofers. It does not matter. We can help any business get calls and customers, okay? We solve a huge problem, okay, in the marketplace. That's why they pay me over $40,000 a month, is because I solve business owners' number one problem, okay, and it's leads and customers. They have to have customers in order to make money and to stay in business, all right? And when you solve that problem, gang, business owners will pay you handsomely, okay? And when they pay you handsomely, you can eliminate debt and bills, and also you can get time freedom by firing your job like Uncle Maurice, okay? Now, let me paint a financial picture for you, all right? Most Americans, all right, are anywhere between 10 to, somewhere of about maybe $20,000 in debt, okay, give or take, if they have a mortgage, car payments, things of that nature, okay? Some people more, some people less, okay? The beautiful thing about SMMA, all right, if you want to do this the smart way, if you were to take, let's just say, do SMMA and continue to work your job for the next, let's say, 6 to 8 months, and you were to do what I'm telling you to do, go beast mode. Click the link in the description, get the course, consume it, lock yourself in the room, set aside, 1 to 2 hours a day, and you do it religiously Monday through Saturday, okay? You're going to get clients, okay? And I want to use the number of 10, all right? Because here's the beautiful math about it, all right? Give or take, outsourcing and, ad spend, which is relatively small. Yeah, in most cases, okay, it just depends on how aggressive the business owner wants you to ramp things up. But in most cases, you're going to be dealing with sole proprietors, 1 to 2, 3-man operations, okay? So what I mean is if you get 10 of them, all right, 10 business owners paying you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a month, you're going to be looking at about 10 to 20 extra. Okay, until you fire your job, it's going to be extra. All right. Now, if you do that, okay, over the course of 5 months, all right, we know that'll be about, if you're doing 10, that's about 50. All right. Now, if you're doing 20, all right, or you're doing 2,000 over the course of 5, we know that's $20,000. Okay. Now, again, the beautiful thing about that, all right, if you do that, you can literally take that chunk of money and wipe out all of your bills, all right? Okay, so think about that. 10 clients paying you $2,000 a month is $20,000 a month, okay? And if you do that, okay, over the course, literally, of, let's say, 5 months, 20, 40, 60, 80, that's 100 G's. Okay, you talking about wiping out your debt? It's gone. Okay, now here's the truth of the matter. Most of you guys are doubting yourself right now. You're saying, Maurice, I can't do it, and that's the problem. That's why you need a coach. You need a good course that can help you with mindset, because this is the simplicities of what you can be doing to pay your credit card off, to pay your car off, to get the bills paid so you can live a better life. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to focus on solutions and not problems, okay? Bills are the problems. SMMA is the solution, okay? And you got to roll your sleeves up and go to work. This is not for lazy people, all right? You're not going to pull in 100 G's over the next 5 months, even if you're charging 20 or 50, if you're charging 1,000 at 10, okay? And you can even charge more. I'm just using these numbers to give you an example of how to get your bills paid, okay? If you can help business owners, all right, solve that problem, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, you can wipe out your debt, okay? Now, here's another thing, ladies and gentlemen, you got to do. You guys are playing too much. You're not treating life serious, all right? And you're continually going out there being a consumer, okay, instead of flipping things on and saying, how can I make money in the process and not be a consumer in the process, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to be a consumer all the time. Let somebody put some money in your pocket. That's what I said to myself. When I was like, man, I'm making this man millions of dollars. Why not make myself millions of dollars, okay? Why not get myself rich, okay? And that's what I did. It was just a shift. See, guys, you got to make a mental shift, all right? And I want you to make that mental shift right now, all right? And how do you do it? Follow the leader, all right? Uncle Maurice is the leader. I'm showing you guys how to make your dreams a reality. Ladies and gentlemen, you can learn how to cold call at a high level, all right? You do not have to struggle your whole life. Start taking these videos seriously. Invest in your mind, all right? Get the course. Hire a coach. Yes, it costs. Go out and seek out information like the books that I tell you guys to read, the videos you need to watch, the Les Browns and stuff. You guys got so much negativity in your mind. It's really not your fault, okay? We were born for success, but we were programmed to fail. You got so much propaganda that's around you. The country just came out of a pandemic. People have lost jobs and houses, and there's a lot of stuff going on in the world. Okay, so you are propagated in your mind with all that garbage, literally. Okay, so you have to change that. You have to put new information in your ear and your eye gates by reading more and listening to positive stuff. Because what you put in the mind will manifest, okay, in the natural, okay? First spiritual, and then it's natural, all right? What you believe and what you plant into the soils of your mind eventually grows. So if you're growing bills and negativity and you're thinking about all this stuff, Maurice, I can't do it, then your mind is not going to let you do it. You're going to chill on the couch and watch Netflix, and the bills are going to pile up, and you're going to have more month at the end of the money, and you're going to be, like they say, J-O-B, the journey of the broke for the rest of your life. And Uncle Maurice is saying you can get off that path. You can get all of your bills paid if you take responsibility, if you take risk, and if you sacrifice. And gang, if you do that, I can guarantee you'll come back in the next 60 to 90 days and say, Uncle Maurice, I did it. I paid off my bills. I got money in the bank. I can fire my job. And it was thanks to you in this video, okay, on what I can do to get 10 clients to get rid of bills, because most Americans are in debt. This video, okay, will set you debt free, because all you have to do is figure out what the problem is. The problem is bills, and you need money to pay them bills. And the way to get extra money, okay, or to replace your primary income is to start a business, okay? And SMMA is the perfect business because it has a low learning curve, meaning you could be a 14-year-old, come in this thing, learn how to prospect, okay, and learn how to help business owners, and they're going to reach in their pocket and pay you $1,000 to $2,000 to even $3,000 to $4,000 every single month to set simple Facebook and Google ads up to generate them customers in business so that they can make money. Okay, so gang, that's it. All right, if you like this, comment below, hit the thumbs up, let me know what you thought. Uncle Maurice is going to continue to put out fire. We're getting rid of bills. If you want to get rid of bills today, you want to be able to live your own reality, comment below, say, Maurice, I'm wiping out my debt, I'm getting rid of credit cards, this is not going to stress me out, I'm tired of anxiety, I'm tired of being broke, okay, I'm ready to be rich, and rich in the mind first, wealthy in the mind first, and then it germinates, okay? Gang, kick the link in the description, grab the course, bless your family, bless yourself, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.